is Natasha. I'm a computer science and engineering undergrad. I wanted to learn digital marketing and was looking for a good and detailed course. My college senior told me about the advanced program in digital marketing course. Later, I enrolled myself in this course, and trust me, it turned out to be the best decision. The course is very well structured. All the modules of digital marketing are covered in depth. The 70% practical and 30% theory method has helped me understand each module much better and acquire hands-on experience. Govind sir is a fantastic mentor one could ask for. He is patient and kind to explain any topic multiple times. The best part about the course is you can do it at your convenience. The online teaching is equally good as classroom teaching. I was placed at Fudugo Solutions as a SEO executive intern. The team has assisted me throughout my placement process. The digital marketing course is great for a novice or anyone who wants to up their skill. Happy learning!